Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to highlight duplicates in Smartsheet. Alright, so first up, as you can see here, I have these colors. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and rename this one as the duplicate section. There you go. Now what we'll do is just double click on a cell. For example, we're trying to find red. If there's duplicate of red, double click, hit on equals. Now type down the formula, count if. There you go. Open and close parentheses. Now let's go ahead and add in the range, which is the column colors. Type down colors and then add in colon as what it states here. And then the quantity, let's just go ahead and type down color as well, so that it will be highlighted. That means that we are focusing on this specific column only. Okay, now what we'll do is just go ahead and write down comma. And then it says here, select the criterion. So let's just go ahead and select maybe red, click on it, and then once done, just hit on enter, and it will find 3 reds in here, okay? So you can see 1, 2, and 3. Now what we'll do to do the same to each of these rows is just click on this little dot, drag and drop until the last row, okay? Got it? There you go. As you can see here, blue got 2, which is 1 and 1. Orange right here got 2 as well. 1, 2. Yellow only 1. Green only 1. Blue 2. Same here. Indigo 1. White and black 1. Orange 2. All right. Now, if you want to highlight it, we can go ahead and use the conditional formatting right here. Click on it. Now, what we'll do is just go ahead and click on Add New Rule. If set the condition, click on it. Select duplicates. There you go. So as you might remember, we have these values as the maximum only got 3. So let's just go ahead and select all. And then let's go ahead and define custom criteria. Okay. And here, let's go ahead and select under contains, click on the drop down. And this is where you do your thing. Okay. For example, if it's greater or equal to maybe 3. All right. So let's go ahead and hit OK. So if duplicates is equal to 3, now it says here, then apply this format. Okay, just click on it. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and change the font size, or make it bold. Also, italicized or underlined. Okay, just click on the color right here or change the background color as well. Now you can go ahead and change the font color, like maybe red. There you go. Hit on OK. So red, red, red. As what we have set on the conditional formatting, whenever you see the duplicate, okay, if the duplicate is equal to 3, automatically the background will be color yellow and the text will be color red. Okay, that's basically how you do it. That is how you highlight duplicates here in Smartsheet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.